Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have everything you need: a Google account and an exam outline. First, open Drive and create a new form. Name it with course and date so students see context. Next, enable settings quizzes to assign point totals and auto-release. Once done, configure collect email addresses and limit to one response to prevent duplicates. These steps lock basic behavior. They matter because they control access, grading, and record keeping from the start. Now you create the actual exam. Add questions, varying types for different goals. Use multiple choice and checkbox grids for instant scoring. Set the answer key and point values so grading is automatic. For analytic insight, add short answer where you'll review responses manually. Once done, arrange questions into sections. Use the Go to Section feature to branch students based on answers or time constraints. Make sure to add feedback and correct answer rationale. Students, and you benefit from clear explanations. Finish by previewing the form and submitting test answers. This reveals scoring quirks and layout issues. Once satisfied, set release grade options and enable response receipts so students get immediate confirmation. Share the form link or post to Google Classroom, remembering to restrict to your domain if required. If grades don't appear or the quiz won't collect emails, check settings again, toggle quiz mode, and collect email addresses, then retest. That single recheck.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.